So the land is really lovely too. It's very private down here at the end of the point. And they got a little play yard and woods. Walk around the outside of the house, take a look. Looks like it got some trails back up in there to do things with. Way into the woods. Nice pines. Looks like this is the front door here. Lovely leaded glass door to go inside the house. It goes upstairs. Nice foyer and dining room. Goes through to the kitchen. And they got their puppies in the garage, so we're not going to go in there. Kitchen is really nice. Got granite countertops. A bar overlooking the dining area. Nice log fireplace. Windows that look out over the delta. It's nice. And this goes out to the deck, and then the screened-in porch, which we'll go out to a little bit later on. Living room has high ceilings and wood-burning gas log fireplace, and a view of the delta here. This is going into the master bedroom downstairs, and this room is really large. It's kind of an octagonal shape, actually, and the ceiling has a vaulted ceiling, and then it goes to the master bathroom. Big walk-in closet here, and then the master bathroom has whirlpool type tub and a shower, private area for the toilet, another big closet. This one's a big walk-in closet here. Kind of takes the whole end of the house. And you have a view of the delta out this window as well. Got Berber carpeting going upstairs. And at the end of the stairway, there's an access to the attic. And lots of insulation in the attic on this side anyhow. Got a little catwalk that goes over, looking down into the foyer. Bobby Sue. Here's a catwalk looking over into the living room. Another view of the Delta. And this goes down to some nice bedrooms. Okay, we got one bedroom over here and a bathroom with the tile showers. Tile showers around, yeah, okay. And closet. And then we have like a little game room. Could be made into another bedroom if you wanted to, but it's more like a little sitting room. This goes into 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom. So that's one bedroom here. It's kind of got a little vaulted ceiling in it. Nice walk-in closet. Shared sink. Private sink. Shared shower and toilet. We call this a Jack and Jill around here. And then this goes into the other bedroom with its own little sink. And then back out into the hallway. Okay, so the last room I wanted to show you was the lovely deck, the back of the house, and a new screened-in porch. It's probably where I'd spend most of my time out here. Nice screened-in porch with wood ceiling fans. Very private, very lovely home. Very good floor plan, well laid out and well thought out. Life on Dog River at its best.